Hello friends, today we see the scalar triple product. Scalar triple product means there are three vectors. We can write like this: vector A dot vector B cross vector C. So such type of vector product it is known as scalar triple product. Triple product because there are three different vectors are there: vector A, vector B and vector C. So there are three different vectors are there, so we say that it is scalar triple product. How we can define a scalar product of one vector with the vector product of other two vectors? Suppose here we say that A, the scalar product means product of vector A with other, it is by dot, so it is known as scalar product. And B cross C, it is vector, so the scalar product of or dot product of one vector with the vector product of other two vectors. Vector product means B cross C, this is known as vector product. So the scalar product of one vector with the vector product of other two vectors, it is known as scalar triple product. Now all of you know that we can write vector A like this. Vector A is nothing but, we can write like this: axi plus ayj plus azk. So here we write it is one vector, vector A. In the same way, vector B, we can write vector B equal to bxi plus byj plus bzk, and the third vector, vector C, we can write like this: cxi plus cyj plus czk. So we can write vector A in its components. X is the component along x axis, ay is the component along y axis, az is the component along z axis. In the same way, we can write vector B and vector C in its component. Now we simplify this. So to simplify this, vector A, now we can write here. Now A can be write like this: axi plus ayj plus azk. So we take in bracket. Already we know that B cross C we can write in the form of determinant. So B cross C we can write in the form of determinant I, j, k, vector B, x component here we write, y component here we write, z component here we write. So bx, by, bz. In the same way, cx, cy, cz. Now what to do? We can multiply this to all this determinant. So how to multiply it? Axi plus ayj plus azk dot. To solve this determinant, we say that I in bracket, remove, don't consider this terms which is below I, and take cross multiplication of this. So you will get by cz minus bz cy. So this is the first term. Second term minus j. Now don't consider the terms below j. Now take cross multiplication. Now the cross multiplication bx cz minus bz cx. Now take third term k. Here we write, don't consider this, take cross multiplication of remaining four terms. So bx cy minus cx by. Now when we take the cross multiplier, now we solve the cross multiplication. Now we want to take the dot product. Now we want to take dot product. All of you know that the dot product of property of dot product, that is the dot product of self dot product is always 1. Means the dot product of I with itself I, or dot product of j with j, or the dot product of k with k is equal to 1, and the dot product with other unit vectors, it is 0. So when we multiply axi to this first bracket, I dot I is 1, so here we can write ax in bracket by cz minus bz cy. Now when we solve this I dot j, take this term will become 0. When we take product of I dot k, this term will become 0. So the answer is 0. Now next we multiply a by j to I, j dot I is 0, so we can't take it. Now next j dot j, it is 1, so here we take minus ay and the bracket term bx cz minus bz cx, and the third term a z. So again when we take multiplier j with k, j dot k, it is 0, so we not consider it. Now we multiply a z k to this bracket, k dot I, again it is 0, k dot j, again it is 0, so we neglect it. Now we multiply k to this third term, k dot k is 1, so we write it bx cy minus cx by. Now we can simply write this in the form of determinant. So in the form of determinant we can write, or the simple form of determinant is like this: ax ay az bx by bz cx cy cz. Now how this will come? So we can simply solve this. You will get this ax, don't consider the terms below it, take cross multiplication of other four terms, so by cz minus bz cy. So this first term will come, you will get minus ay, neglect below terms. Now take cross multiplication bx cz minus bz cx, so you will get second term, and third term az, again don't consider below az terms and take cross multiplication bx cy minus by cx, or cx by, so you will get this term. So we say that the scalar triple product a dot b cross c is equal to, in the form of determinant, ax ay az bx by bz cx cy cz. So this is the simple type of simple scalar triple product. So again one time we take the definition of scalar triple product. Scalar quantity, because here one dot product is there, so it is scalar. Triple, there are three different vectors are there, and there we are taking their product, so it is known as scalar triple product. The scalar product of one vector, One vector means here we consider the A vector, and this dot indicate it is scalar. The scalar product of this one vector with the vector product of other two vectors. Other two vectors contain B cross A. These are the two other two vectors. So the scalar product of this one vector with the vector product of other two vector, it is known as scalar triple product, and it can be written in the form of determinant like this. We take mod or two vertical line, and in that vertical line we can write ax, ay, az, bx, by, bz, cx, cy, cz. So this is the simple format of scalar triple product. Okay, thank you.